Hey there, animal lovers. Welcome to Would You Rather Animal Edition. Get ready for fun. How to play. You will have two animal options. Pick one you'd rather experience, and comment down what you pick. Lion or panda? Be a cat or a dog? Swim with dolphins or fly with eagles? Live in the jungle or the ocean? Have wings or gills? Be invisible or super strong? Speak to animals or all languages? Monkey tail or cat ears? Run fast or climb well? Live in a zoo or a circus? Be a fish or a bird? Tiger stripes or zebra? Size of a mouse or a bear? Snake's speed or turtle's shell? Roar like a lion or howl like a wolf? Forest or desert? Pet elephant or pet giraffe? Nocturnal or diurnal? Fur or scales? Fly like a bat or swim like a shark? Horse's mane or lion's mane? Kangaroo pouch or turtle shell? Live with wolves or lions? eagle's vision, or dog's smell? Strong as a bear or be as fast as a cheetah? Parrot's beak or have an elephant's trunk? Be a predator or be prey? Live in a tree or live in a cave? Have a tiger's strength or have a deer's speed? Be a snake or be a crocodile? Have a lion's courage or have a fox's cleverness? Be a polar bear or be a grizzly bear? Live in water or live on land? Live like an owl or a goat? Have a pet dolphin or have a pet eagle? Be a fast runner or be a long jumper? Be a spider or be a scorpion? Live in the Arctic or live in the desert? Have a cheetah's speed or have a gorilla's strength? Before jumping in the last five, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Be a herbivore or be a carnivore? Have a rabbit's ears or have a deer's antlers? Live alone or live in a pack? Have a penguin's walk or have a kangaroo's jump? Be a peacock or be a flamingo? Have a bear's fur or have a crocodile's skin? Wow, what an adventure. You've made it through 45 wild would you rather animal questions. Did your choices surprise you? Or maybe you learned something new about yourself? Now it's time to hear from you. Let us know in the comments Which questions were the toughest or the most fun? And if you enjoyed playing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun games and challenges with the wildest creatures on Earth. Thanks for playing, and remember, whether you're a lion, a panda, or something in between, the animal kingdom has room for us all. See you next time.